Hey, and it's the kitty cat. And he meow meow meow. And he meow meow meow. And he is the teddy man. And he meow meow meow. And he snores, snores, snores. Daddy. Not really actually sleeping. Kitty cat is very much so enjoying his tummy time. He loves tummy time. And I would show you what Mikey is doing, but he's naked. Yeah, not safe. Yeah. My son, the Wonder Genius, while this quiet, tranquil scene is going on, is using my pants to sack race. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, my pants. Putting both of his feet into one leg and sack racing in my pants. I'm not real happy about this, so we're going to take more in of this pretty, pretty fluffy thing and this pretty, pretty sleepy thing. Yes, pretty man. So pretty. Okay, handsome man. So handsome. Yeah, shut up. I love you. I love this one too. This one's cute. Okay, at least he's covered up. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is my son, hiding in my dirty clothes. And before he manages to flash the camera, I'm going to turn it off. Good night and goodbye.